Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is David and welcome to UTECHPIA. The specs are out and I'm truly excited for the DJI Mavic Air. I think it's a perfect drone and a worthy upgrade to my Mavic Pro. Here are my reasons. The first reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is the pocketability of the drone. Yes, this thing is actually pocketable. Therefore, I'm definitely going to use it a lot more than my Mavic Pro. For this reason alone, I think it's a great tool to have. It's half the size of the Mavic Pro and 41% lighter. I really want to drive home the point that it's pocketable. It's like having your cell phone with you all the time and being able to pull it out to capture a great photo whenever the opportunity arises. This thing is a game changer just because it's so compact and portable. The second reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is the pocketability of the controller. They even redesigned the controller. Although it doesn't have a screen like the Mavic Pro's controller, it's more compact and the joysticks are removable so you can take them off and store them inside the controller and fold the controller up into a super portable form that fits in your pocket. The third reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is the improved video quality as well as the added HDR photo features. From the test footage that people have been posting all over the internet, the 4K 30 frames per second video footage looks better than what's found on the Mavic Pro. This is probably because it has a much higher bit rate when recording video. It can capture 100 megabits per second of data versus the 60 megabits per second of data on the Mavic Pro. It can also do 1080p at 120 frames per second for amazing slow motion. And it can take photos at 12 megapixels just like the Mavic Pro, but now it has HDR. With photos in the sky, you're often dealing with the bright sky and dark areas in the shadows all within the same photo. Thanks to the improved HDR processing capabilities, it can capture more details in both the bright and dark areas. The fourth reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is that it has improved sensors and software, making it harder to crash. The Mavic Air has sensors in the front, bottom, and back, whereas the Mavic Pro doesn't have the back sensor. So this makes it a lot safer to fly backwards with the Mavic Air. And a lot of drone owners, including myself, love flying backwards. The Mavic Air will create a 3D map of the environment, and using its new advanced pilot assistance system, it will be able to intelligently move around obstacles instead of just stopping in front of them. This will allow beginners to have more confidence flying the drone, and it will open doors to pros who want to live on the edge and fly closer to obstacles to get those more interesting shots. And the fifth reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is that it has a 32 megapixel panorama spherical mode. In this mode, it basically captures 25 high-resolution photos and stitches them together to make an awesome panorama spherical photo. The results look really cool, and you can pan around the shots in 360 degrees. The sixth reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is that the active track mode has been improved. The active track is a feature where the drone will follow a subject you pick. Now it has been improved so it can detect up to 16 selectable subjects, and the algorithm has been upgraded for better tracking. These modes help create professional drone footage while you're running, jumping, cycling, driving a car, or doing other exciting activities. The seventh reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is that now it has two additional quick shot modes. The quick shot mode can maneuver the drone through a complicated path while capturing a 10-second clip with the tap of a button. The two new ones are Asteroid and Boomerang. Asteroid uses a panorama spherical mode along with a path movement to create a unique perspective. Boomerang captures an awesome reveal path that looks extremely professional. To get this kind of shot manually would require two operators, one to fly the drone in this precise motion and one to control the camera angle. It would literally take hours to get it so perfectly smooth like this. And now you can do this with a push of a button. The eighth reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is that it's been redesigned for the better. The 3-axis gimbal has been improved to reduce vibration, and the camera housing is now recessed, providing better protection. The ninth reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is that the gesture controls have been improved. Basically, you can launch, land, and control the drone with the palm of your hands and command it to take photos or start recording. Now you can take a group selfie without holding the controller. And the 10th reason why it's better than the Mavic Pro is that it costs less than the Mavic Pro. For $799, you get the basic package which comes with the drone, a battery, a charger, a protective case, propeller guards, and a remote control. For $200 more, you can get the Fly More combo, which comes with an additional set of propellers, 2 extra batteries, a floating charging hub that can charge 4 batteries, and a shoulder bag. You can pre-order right now. The link is in the description below. DJI will start shipping January 28, 2018. Now there are some disadvantages to the Mavic Air when compared to the Mavic Pro. The first disadvantage is that the Mavic Air is noisier than the Mavic Pro. The reviews online say that the Mavic Air sounds a lot like the DJI Spark. The second disadvantage is that the remote uses Wi-Fi signal, which is not as solid as the radio signal used with the Mavic Pro. The third disadvantage is the limited range of 2.5 miles on the Mavic Air versus the 4-mile range of the Mavic Pro. The fourth disadvantage is the 21-minute battery life versus the 27-minute battery life on the Mavic Pro. Even with these disadvantages, I still much prefer the Mavic Air because it can fit in my pocket. This convenience will allow me to take the drone on many more trips and fly the darn thing. I'm curious, do you think the Mavic Air is better than the Mavic Pro? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Your support is always appreciated. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.